嗨，大家好！今天我们要念的小书是《Learn with Nature Shapes》。大自然里面有很多动物和植物，身上都有不一样的形状。今天我们就来看看这本小书要带领我们去探索哪些不一样的动物和植物吧。Circle, circle. These blueberries are shaped in circle. Circle, circle, circle. Square, square. These stones are shaped in square. Square, square, square. Triangle, triangle. This thing is shaped in triangle. Triangle, triangle, triangle. Oval, oval. This coconut, egg, leaf, and lemon are shaped in oval. Oval, oval. Hexagon, hexagon. These beehives are shaped in hexagon. Hexagon, 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 hexagon. Star, star. These starfish are shaped in star. Star, star, star. Crescent, crescent. This moon is shaped in crescent. Crescent, crescent, crescent. Heart, heart. These flowers are shaped in heart. Heart, heart, heart. Rhombus, rhombus. The stingray is shaped in rhombus. Rhombus, 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 rhombus. Spiral, spiral. These snails are shaped in spiral. Spiral, spiral, spiral. The